Hey look, we found it.
That's right, we found the location for Guy Fieri's downtown Flavortown coming to Pigeon Forge. Let's get ready to go on a where is it located adventure that rocks. Behind us, that building, Guy Fieri's downtown Flavortown,
is coming to Mountain Mile in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Let's get a closer look. I'm so excited. This is going to be the place where iconic food, moments together, and fun meet in perfect harmony.
And right in there is going to be a 43,000 square foot entertainment center.
This place is going to have everything. Besides a full service restaurant, a tiki bar,
a bowling alley, arcade games,
and his iconic 1968 Chevy Camaro. I love this quote that Guy said about what's coming to Flavortown. You name it, we're bringing it. Let's take a look at some of the publicity shots released of what's coming to Pigeon Forge.
This is destined to become a must-do option in Pigeon Forge.
And to give you another idea, with Cinnaholic there, and there it is.
I am so excited about this.
Yeah, I can't wait for this place to come.
Yeah, and you know what I love the most is how many people who've watched our channel and seen us have actually compared your energy to Guy Fieri's, and I can't agree less. I mean, it's so fun, and to have him here.
So while I wait here for Flavortown to open, check out some of all the other great locations Mountain Mile has to offer. I'll be right here, waiting. There's so much to do out here. From all these games.
And forget the games, I want a drink.
They even have slingshots coming soon out here. Sandy, I can't wait for us to get on these.
We are gonna look mighty good driving around Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge in that.
Oh yeah. And don't forget to stop by the Coffee Armory and get caffeined up.
Any idea why this lonesome coyote or puppy is here? Let us know. There must be a story behind this. He's chained to a tree in front of Mountain Mile. Put it down in the comments and let us know. We really want to know. Nice puppy.
She's shaking her head yes, so we'll get that one. That'll be it.
Wow, look at that. Show me.
In this box, some cinnamon deliciousness.
Oh my goodness, look at those marshmallows. Oh, just dropped one out.
That's a cinnamon roll right there.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for? Be sure to hit that like and subscribe because you really never know where we're gonna end up next.
Hey, take me for a ride.
Absolutely, hop in.
We want to thank
Mountain Mile out here in Pigeon Forge, so much for allowing us to come out here and shoot the location of where Guy Fieri's downtown Flavortown is coming.
Yeah, and there's so much here at Mountain Mile. Food, drinks, games.
And the rides like the ones behind us that, Sandy, we gotta come back and get on.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get up there.
And we love night rides.
Yeah, we do, and all the lights.
So guys, get ready, because we know there's more videos around all this location coming very soon. As we always say, make each and every day, including those with a lot of flavor, an adventure that rocks. Sandy, we got to get on that next.
Yes, we do.
We got to get on.